Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful country cottage vibe home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. With this country cottage vibe home decor combines the charm of an old countryside cottage with the warmth of vintage treasures. The goal is to create a home that feels cozy, nostalgic, and collected over time, rather than perfectly matched. Think of soft floral fabrics or that oud antique style accessories and warm lighting that makes every room feel inviting. How it makes this style feel authentic? The secret is imperfection. Slightly faded fabrics on oud, mismatched chairs, handmade decor, and treasured vintage finds create the genuine vintage country cottage vibe. A home that looks lovingly used and gradually collected will always feel more charming than one that looks brand new. The overall feel warm, nostalgic, cozy, and timeless, like stepping into a peaceful countryside cottage where every piece has a story. Vintage country cottage decor is inspired by old rural homes that have been lovingly cared for through generations. It combines vintage elegance with country comfort, creating interiors that feel peaceful, nostalgic, and full of character. Instead of following modern trends, this style celebrates timeless beauty and the charm of well-loved furnishings. One of the defining characteristics of this style is its layered look. Rooms are decorated gradually with vintage furniture, handmade textiles, antique accessories, and treasured family heirlooms. Every piece has a purpose and often tells a story, making the home feel personal rather than perfectly coordinated. Natural materials are the heart of the design. Use weathered wood, natural stone, wicker, rattan, linen, cotton, wool, and ceramics are used throughout the home to create warmth and texture. These materials age gracefully, adding even more character over time. Vintage country cottage interiors also emphasize comfortable living. Deep sofas, upholstered armchairs, rocking chairs, and solid wooden dining tables invite people to relax and spend time together. Use soft cushions, knitted throws, and patchwork quilts make every sitting area feel warm and welcoming. Decorative details are simple but meaningful. Use fresh flowers, dried lavender, vintage clocks, ceramic pictures, oven baskets, botanical prints, antique mirrors, old books, and handmade pottery add charm without overwhelming the space. The goal is to create a home that feels collected naturally over many years. Windows are often distressed with lightweight linen or floral curtains that allow plenty of sunlight to enter. Natural light enhances the soft color palette and highlights the textures of wood, fabrics, and stone, giving the rooms an airy yet cozy atmosphere. The style also embraces gently imperfections. Faded paint, distressed furniture, slightly mismatched dining chairs, and time-worn finishes are seen as beautiful sign of age and craftsmanship. These details create an authentic cottage feel that cannot be replicated with brand new furniture alone. Above all, a vintage country cottage home is designed to feel warm, inviting, and lived in. It is a place where comfort comes first, where every room reflects a love of nature and tradition, and where timeless pieces are cherished for generations rather than replaced with changing trends. The perfect vintage country cottage color palette: cream and ivory, warm base and oatmeal, chase green, dusty blue, muted rose or soft pink, and faded mustard accents. These colors create the gentle, aged look that is typical of country cottages. Isn't furniture pieces, distressed wooden coffee tables, painted vintage dressers or sideboard. Use farmhouse dining table, rocking chair or floral armchair. Use antique style bedside tables and open wooden shelving. Choose pieces that look slightly owned or handcrafted for an authentic cottage feel. Fabrics that create the vibe. Use floral curtains, gingham or plaid cushions, linen table genres, crochet or lace accents, patchwork quilts, and knitted throws. Layering different fabrics makes the space feel soft and lived in. Vintage accessories to display. Use ceramic pitchers and bowls. Old books with own covers. Use oven baskets, antique clocks, brass candle holders, glass bottles and jars, and botanical prints in wooden frames. How to style each room. First, living room. For cozy atmosphere, use a neutral sofa with floral or plaid cushions. Add a knitted throw over on arm. Place a wooden tray with candles and flowers on the coffee table. Include a vintage lamp with a fabric shade. Next, kitchen. Display white or cream dishes on open shelf. Keep wooden cutting boards visible. Store dry goods in clusters. Add fresh herbs on the windowsill. Next, bedroom. Choose floral or striped bedding. Layer quilts and crochet blankets. Use mismatched vintage bedside lamps. Display a small vase of dried lavender. Lighting for a nostalgic atmosphere. Use warm white bulbs, table lamps with linen shades, wall sconces, lantern style fixtures, candles for evening ambience. Avoid bright, cool toned lighting. It can make the space feel less cozy. A simple styling formula, the 60, 30, and 10 cottage rule. Use soft, neutral base, like walls, large furniture, and curtains. And 30% natural wood tones for tables, shelves, and frames. And 10% vintage accents for flowers, brass, and floral patterns. Vintage country cottage decor is more than a decorating style. It is a way of creating a home that feels calm, welcoming, and rich with history. Every room is designed to offer comfort while reflecting the beauty of traditional country living. Rather than focusing on perfection, this style embraces authenticity, craftsmanship, and the charm of everyday living. A key feature of this design style is the use of time-worn finishes, furniture with chipped paint, weathered wood, antique brass hardware, and gently faded fabrics adds depth and character. The sign of age make a home feel established and full of memories, giving it a sense of warmth that brand new furniture often cannot provide. The layout of a vintage country cottage is usually open and inviting. Seating is arranged to encourage conversation. Dining areas are designed for shared meals and decorative pieces are displayed in a relaxed, natural way. Every space feels functional while maintaining a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Traditional craftsmanship is celebrated throughout the home. Handmade quilts, crocheted blankets, embroidered pillowcases, oven baskets, and hand-thrown pottery and carved wooden furniture showcase the beauty of artisan look. These handcrafted details bring individuality and timeless charm to every room. Seasonal decorating are also an important part of the vintage country cottage style. Spring may feature pressed tulips and floral linens. Summer brings oven pictures and garden flowers. Autumn introduces warm-colored throws and dried grasses, while winter highlights candles, evergreen branches, tunky-knit blanket, and rustic wooden accents. The subtle seasonal changes keep the home feeling fresh, while staying true to its classic style. Fragrance helps complete the atmosphere. The gentle scents of fresh flowers, lavender, beeswax candles, cinnamon, vanilla, or freshly baked bread creates a comforting environment that welcomes everyone who enters the home. Most importantly, Vintage Country Cottage Decor values quality over quantity. Instead of filling rooms with many decorative objects, each piece is chosen for its beauty, usefulness, or sentimental value. This thoughtful approach creates interiors that feel peaceful, meaningful, and timeless, allowing the home to age gracefully while preserving its unique personality and enduring countryside charm. Vintage country cottage decor creates a sense of warmth and nostalgia by blending classic country charm with elegant vintage details. It is inspired by homes where furniture, textiles, and decorative pieces have been carefully collected over many years, giving each room a welcoming and timeless personality. One of the most distinctive qualities of this style is its balanced mix of elegance and simplicity. A beautifully carved wooden cabinet might sit beside a rustic farmhouse table, while delicate floral china is displayed on open shelves next to everyday pottery. This combination of refined and rustic elements creates a home that feels both charming and comfortable. The walls often become part of the decor, painted bedboard, tongue and crook paneling, vintage wallpaper with soft floral patterns, botanical artwork, and antique picture frames add depth without making the room feel busy. These traditional details help create the classic cottage atmosphere. Windows are treated as focal points. Linen curtains, lace panels, or soft cotton drapes gently filter natural sunlight, creating a bright and airy interior. Window seats with cushions and straws can also become cozy reading nooks where you can relax and enjoy the outdoors view. The storage is designed to be beautiful as well as practical, with vintage hatches, glass front cabinets, wooden dressers, and open shelving allow everyday items such as dishes, teacups, cookbooks, and oven baskets to become part of the decoration. This keeps the home organized while maintaining its warmth and lived-in character. Plants and flowers play an essential role in completing the vintage country cottage look. Fresh roses, hydrangeas, lavender, daisies, eucalyptus, or simple wildflowers arranged in ceramic pitchers or glass jars bring natural beauty into every room and reflect the changing season. Perhaps the most important feature of vintage country cottage decor is its emotional appeal. It creates a home where people feel relaxed, welcoming, and connected to tradition. Every room is meant to tell a story through meaningful objects, cherished memories, and timeless design, making the space feel authentic, peaceful, and filled with enduring charm. The entrance of a vintage country cottage sets the tone for the entire home. It should feel warm, inviting, and full of rustic charm from the moment someone walks through the door. A well-styled entryway combines practicality with timeless beauty, creating a welcoming first impression. A solid wooden front door in a natural painted or weathered finish is a classic choice. Traditional hardware in antique brass, black iron, or aged bronze enhance the vintage character and adds an authentic touch. Place a vintage console table or a small wooden bench in the entryway. Decorate it with a ceramic vase filled with fresh or dried flowers, a woven basket for everyday essentials, a stack of old books, or a vintage lantern. These simple details make the space feel lived in and welcoming. A large antique style mirror with a distressed wooden or ornate frame can make the entrance feel brighter and more spacious while reflecting natural light. and warmth underfoot with a natural fiber rug, such as jute, sisal, or a soft oven genre. These materials complete the rustic cottage style and help define the interior space. Decorate the walls with botanical prints, vintage landscapes, or framed family photographs in wooden frames. A few carefully chosen pieces create personality without overwhelming the area. Use oven baskets, wooden crates, or vintage umbrellas stand for stylish storage. These practical items help keep shoes, scarves, and everyday accessories neatly organized while enhancing the country cottage aesthetic. Complete the entrance with soft lighting, such as lantern-style pendant lights, a table lamp with a linen shade, or wall sconces with warm bulbs. Gentle lighting creates a cozy atmosphere and makes guests feel instantly at home. Finally, keep the entrance uncluttered. A vintage country cottage entryway should feel open, peaceful, and welcoming, with every decorative item serving a purpose or telling a story. This balance of beauty and function creates the charming first impression that reflects the warmth of the home beyond. The vintage country cottage vibe is perfect if you want your home to feel cozy, charming, and full of personality, with a balance of rustic simplicity and elegant vintage details. A vintage country cottage home should feel peaceful and relaxing, bright but cozy, warm and welcoming, rustic with a touch of elegance, full of memories and personality. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me.